The new MSI RTX 5070T Vanguard SoC graphics card arrives amid much anticipation in the PC hardware community. Boasting NVIDIA's cutting-edge Blackwell architecture, this card packs a staggering 8,960 CUDA cores, 16 GB of GDDR7 VRAM, and supports the latest DLSS 4.0 technology, promising to usher in a new era of physical AI processing with up to 1,406 ITOPS performance. Positioned as a mid to high-end GPU, the RTX 5070T claims performance comparable to the flagship RTX 4090 but without demanding a fortune to own it. Let's unpack what makes the MSI RTX 5070T Vanguard SoC a potentially game-changing addition to your rig. Opening the box, you get a quick start manual, an adjustable GPU support bracket designed to prevent sagging, and a convenient power adapter cable, converting three 8-pin connectors into a single 12-pin input. Of course, the star of the show is the MSI RTX 5070T Vanguard SoC itself, a robust and visually striking graphics card. The design strikes a harmonious balance between NVIDIA's raw GPU power and MSI's signature aesthetic flair. The sturdy metal shroud features intricate dragon claw-inspired accents that appeal to gamers and enthusiasts alike, offering an aggressive yet sophisticated look. Despite its powerful hardware, the card maintains a manageable thickness of approximately 2.5 slots, an indicator of MSI's efficient thermal design. This relatively slim profile means the RTX 5070T fits comfortably in most mid-tower cases and even larger builds, catering to a broad range of users without worrying about compatibility issues. MSI outfits the RTX 5070T Vanguard SoC with a triple-fan cooling system under the banner of Hyper-FROZR technology. This sophisticated solution combines Stormforce fans, each sporting 7 aerodynamic blades designed for maximum airflow, with core pipes for optimal heat transfer, vapor chambers to spread heat evenly, and intricately engineered fin stacks for superior thermal dissipation. The end result is efficient cooling that keeps temperatures low while running quietly, a must-have for gamers who crave performance without noise distractions. On the card side, MSI includes a handy physical switch, enabling users to toggle between two operational modes: silent and gaming. Silent mode limits fan speed or even stops the fans at low loads, ensuring near-silent operation during everyday tasks. Flip the switch to gaming mode, and the card ramps up power, delivery and fan speeds to maximize performance under load, guaranteeing smooth frame rates even in demanding games. Notably, this switch works independently of any software, making on-the-fly mode changes effortless and immediate. MSI thoughtfully equips the RTX 5070T with multiple display outputs to support today's high-resolution gaming and professional workflows. It features 3 DisplayPort 2.1b ports, capable of delivering up to 8K resolution at 240 Hz, or an astonishing 16K at 60 Hz when using compatible multi-stream setups. Additionally, an HDMI 2.1b port supports up to 4K at 480 Hz or 8K at 120 Hz, catering to a wide variety of monitor and TV configurations. Power is delivered through a centralized 12-pin connector, allowing for efficient cable management and optimal power throughput. For users lacking native 12-pin power supplies, MSI includes a 3x8-pin to 12-pin adapter cable, ensuring the card can be powered without additional accessories. Built on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, the RTX 5070T is engineered to meet the demands of gaming, creative workflows, and AI applications alike. The architecture brings improved efficiency, enhanced ray tracing capabilities, and AI processing power to the table, The card's 16GB GDDR7 memory provides ample bandwidth and capacity for high-resolution gaming, intensive rendering, and machine learning workloads. Paired with DLSS 4.0 support, users can expect AI-driven frame generation that boosts performance and image quality, especially in the latest AAA titles. While detailed performance benchmarks are forthcoming, early insights suggest the RTX 5070 Ti can deliver smooth 4K gaming experiences, rivaling those of the much pricier RTX 4090. This makes it a highly attractive proposition for gamers who want flagship-level power without the flagship-level price tag. Thanks to MSI's careful design and the HyperFROZR cooling solution, the RTX 5070 Ti Vanguard Society maintains efficient thermal management even under heavy loads. The triple fan system, coupled with vapor chambers and heat pipes, ensures the GPU runs cool and quiet, avoiding thermal throttling that can compromise performance. At roughly 2.5 slots thick, the card's compact size is noteworthy. For a GPU offering such high performance, this form factor ensures broad compatibility with many popular PC cases and makes installation easier. Compared to some bulkier high-end graphics cards, the MSI RTX 5070 Ti Vanguard Society is well suited for a diverse user base. Hardcore gamers seeking high frame rates at 4K resolution will find the card's capabilities compelling. Creative professionals working with 3D rendering, video editing, or AI-assisted workflows can leverage the GPU's powerful CUDA core count and AI TOPS. Moreover, the architecture's focus on physical AI heralds new possibilities in AI training and inference, a boon for developers and enthusiasts exploring machine learning on consumer-grade hardware. The MSI RTX 5070 Ti Vanguard SoC represents a significant evolution over the previous generation RTX 4000 series. Thanks to NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, faster GDDR7 memory, and the game-changing DLSS 4.0 technology. With a strong emphasis on efficient cooling, a well-optimized form factor, and rich connectivity options, the card positions itself as a top contender for users who demand premium performance without excessive cost, while detailed benchmarks and long-term reviews will provide a clearer picture of real-world performance and value. The RTX 5070 Ti Vanguard Society is shaping up to be a smart investment for gamers, creatives, and AI practitioners alike. For anyone seeking a powerful GPU that punches above its weight class, without forcing a sell-your-kidney budget, MSI's RTX 5070 Ti Vanguard Society is an option that deserves serious consideration.